we are in fair Verona, where we lay our scene. As Shakespeare once said, this is the Verona home as per Plantation homes. Let's go and take a look inside. Now this one, you need a minimum lot width of 10 meters and it's 40 squares. So let's take a look inside and see what it has to offer. Come on in. As you step inside, you are greeted with this magnificent echo of a house, and you can tell that because it has a fantastic void, and automatically it just makes you want to run up the stairs, which I'm going to do exactly that. Totally unconventional, but these gorgeous timber and glass stairs are really quite magnificent. Darling, get me a cup of tea. I want to have a cup of tea upstairs. And there are some gorgeous lights all the way up the stairs, so when it is late at night time and you don't want to trip up on the stairs, because let's face it, who wants to do that, you can illuminate your path. And my goodness, how easy will it be to change a light bulb with a chandelier just here? Very, very easy. I love this. This is such a gorgeous design. I wonder what else this house has to offer. Let's take a look this way. Well, as you go down this nice, cozier feeling area, you are greeted by a gorgeous bedroom. That is right. This room itself, I think this is the master bedroom because it is one that you can close off from the kiddies, but you've got a gorgeous bed, seating area. You've got gorgeous curtains. Well, you can still see through the curtains, so you might want to get some block out ones, but that's not the point. What you can see is this fantastically huge floor to ceiling window. Wowzers, how much would you pay for that? You can even see your loved one in the toilet. Hello, darling, make sure to wipe your beep. That's what you want to do in the morning. Let's take a look through here. So right here you've got a fairly small, I have to say, wardrobe. Now, I'm starting to question if this is the master room because surely this couldn't be the only wardrobe you have. Let's take a look down here. So this is the, oh, this is a toilet. This is actually quite interesting because although you could see something through the shutters, you actually can't see them on the toilet, which is actually a nice thing. Yes, who wants to do that? So then round here, you have got the bathroom, which is where we could see each other over here. There's a gorgeous bathtub. I do like this bathtub. It is quite a nice spacious style. I like it. It has got a step, so watch your step as you go in. And you do have a double vanity here for his and hers. And of course, an interesting actually. Yes, they've cut it to customize for the sink pipes. I actually like that. That is actually a good idea. Let's see what the other one is like too. Oh, they're all like that. Okay, good idea, genius. And then behind here, you've got the shower. Oh yes, this is what I'm talking about now. Yes, yes, darling, yes, yes. Waterfall shower. Plus, you've also got your regular shower head as well. This is my kind of shower. What would top it? What would top it is if there was another shower head here, because I would be hitting all directions. Oh, look at that. They have answered. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was his wardrobe. This is her wardrobe. This is her wardrobe. Yes, there is ample storage here. There's places you can hang up your dresses. They've got shoes. You've got your small knickknacks here. More jackets, dresses, everything. This is definitely hers. Ah, children, wake up now. It's time to watch some television. Saturday TV in the family rumpus. Yes, you can just watch telly, sit back, relax. But what's even more exciting is you can spy on the kids. And what I mean by that, well, there's like a whirring noise. Yeah. My goodness, I don't think I would want to sleep here. Oh, look, that's what the noise is about. It's the two extractor, they've got two extractor fans. If you take a listen, maybe I'll just hold this up.
It's like rapping. Orange.
I actually think that something's not connected right because it sounds like something's hitting the plastic or the little silver thing that they have. It's like, you can really hear it. But anyway, that's the kids' problem, it's not yours, because right through here. All right, so here you've got the kids' double bed. Yes, it looks very trendy. They've used a good amount of space. I remember as a kid, we used to have so many like chests of drawers in our actual room, but nowadays, as a kid, you're really spoiled because you actually get a walk-in wardrobe. My goodness. It might be small, but it is a wardrobe nonetheless. And they even get a toilet. Man, we had to share a toilet between like 20 of us. But these guys get an actual toilet and a modern toilet, I have to say. This is a set back to wall toilet. and they even get a shower, and they get their own fancy vanity, and they get a window with a blind and a view of the neighbour's roof, which surely will one day become solar panelled. All right. Let's have a look. Oh yes, and you got the obligatory neighbour's bedroom view as well. So, all right. So as you make your way out here, you can see if the coast is clear. Can I sneak in and light a mum and dad asleep? Because we all know what kids are like. There is the communal bathroom for the kids' quarter over here, which is a toilet, and another view of a gorgeous roof down that way as well. You got your obligatory storage over here, and then you got your siblings' rooms, where there's one right here. Again, another really decently sized bedroom with another wardrobe and another toilet. My goodness, what is the point of a communal toilet if they've all got toilets? These kids are rich. All right, let's take a look. So in my day, there always used to be a box room, and this is not really a box room. This is like a box room glorified, because it's got, oh my goodness, why? It's got a toilet as well. So there are like, every bedroom in this house has got an ensuite, plus there is just an extra toilet just because. And that's just the upstairs. That's a lot of toilet cleaning, I have to say. You know, as a person who cleans the toilets, and I've got 3 of my own, I would not want to clean 6 toilets, especially if they're like nasty kids. Just saying. So far, the upstairs of this house does not fail to impress. Every single bedroom has got its own ensuite. It's got beautiful high ceilings. There is carpeted furnishing. There's so much room in here for a good family of, say, 4 or 5. But let's take a look and see what downstairs has to offer. Kids, do your homework. Well, what a room, what a view. How about that for studying if they don't have any space upstairs because, you know, their bedroom is just full of beds? This is actually a really nice place to watch your kids do their homework. Yeah, look at that. I could study here because I love looking outside when I study, and the view isn't that bad. What a nice window. But of course, every kid needs to have a break sometime. And this gorgeous glass panel here, for some reason, is just dividing this room. But this is your media type room, or your family chill room, where you just want to come, watch a movie, kick back, eat some popcorn on a Friday afternoon, after you've done homework, and just chillax. And then, of course, when dinner is ready, you just have a look through the shutters again. Mum, is dinner ready yet? No, do your homework. And of course, there is another obligatory shower and toilet. So this is like the guest toilet and shower. I don't know if my guests are gonna be having showers, but it's another toilet and shower. Wow. And of course, my favorite room, one of my favorite rooms, is the laundry room. Not this one. This one doesn't look, and the doors don't open. Yeah, that doesn't open. Not sure how to open the doors. Yeah, this is not for me.
This looks nice.
But doesn't matter. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. That is gorgeous. Love it. They have incorporated some more cabinets under the bench top. This is a nice, cozy feel of a house. There's a nice seating area here to have your dinner. Gorgeous bench top with double sink. Yeah, this is a decent sized kitchen. Definitely for a big family. And of course, no plantation home would be without a butler's pantry. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. The smoky glass splashback. Yes, ma'am. And the underlighting cabinets as well. Yeah, that is what I'm talking about. And of course, the push, well, it's not pushed to open. This is like a J-pull in reverse. I like that. Ample storage for your needs. You have a lot of fun in this butler's pantry. And of course, take a look at these louver windows. They look out onto your gorgeous pool and also the neighbours' alfresco area too. So you can see what Jimmy's up to on a Saturday afternoon while she take a dip. It's my kind of lifestyle. As you go down here, you're greeted by a 90cm Smeg induction cooktop, as well as a 90cm Smeg oven below. Plus they've got all the Smeg appliances, the dishwasher, the drawers for your cutlery, the sink cabinet. Yes, this place has got it going on. This bench top is rather large, have to say, probably a bit too big for me, but I like the style, I like it. All right, if you were bored of places to sit down, well, this is another family seating area. You can hang out with your mates, or if it's a sunny day, unlike today, you can sit outside and have a nice al fresco time with, of course, your barbecue outdoor area. Well, so that wraps up Plantation Home, Verona style house, and I have to say it is one to surely impress for those big families. Now it's time for you guys to get out of here because I'm staying here for a bit longer. Ciao.